Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And here we are looking at it on the daily time frame on Friday, May 3rd, after the market has closed, with AMC closing at a price of $3.30, being up almost 5.5% on the day and going down just a little bit in the after hours. And over the course of the week, I should note that the price went down about 3%. But, I do think that the stock price is looking pretty good. And so last week I did put out a video on Friday, as I usually do, and we can see that, we were above this downtrend here. Green day on that Friday was looking pretty good. I had put out a video saying that AMC was forming a bull flag. But then on Monday of this week, the stock price dropped more than 11%, and I kind of doubted, that we were holding a bull flag. But as it turns out, it does look like we have reclaimed the majority of the downside from Monday, and I do think that we are still forming a bull flag. I think the stock is looking pretty good, especially with earnings coming up on the 8th, which will be happening at 5 p.m. Eastern, and I will be streaming AMC's earnings call, so make sure you tune in for that. Should be a lot of fun. Going to be enjoying some popcorn and Prosecco. Should be a nice time, so make sure you tune in. But anyways, just looking at the chart, I do think it looks really good being above this downtrend and having green days the past few days. I do think it's looking strong leading into earnings. But I did just want to go over some levels, one really to the downside, and then a number to the upside that we should be keeping an eye on. And if we are reclaiming them to the upside, I do think that looks really good. Potentially, we might be getting to this purple downtrend, if not higher. But yeah, I'm just going to go over the levels here, starting from the bottom. So, I just did this Fibonacci retracement. I still feel like it is a good one to be considering, going from the high here at $5.10 and then coming down to the all-time low here at $2.38. And so from that, a level to the downside that we should be paying attention to is the 236. That is at a price of $3.02, really just being around the psychological level of $3, just being a whole dollar number there. And that also does look like it coincides with this consolidation over here, as well as, this dip here. So I do think that will serve as support if we do drop to that level. Hopefully we hold it though if we do see a dip, not getting any closes below it or below this downtrend. And then so thinking about this to the upside, as I do think we will be seeing more upside, levels that we should be considering. One is the 382 here at a price of $3.41.9. As you can see, we've had a number of wicks get above that level, but really we only got one close, just a fraction of a penny above that level here on April 22nd. So, that is going to be an important level for us to get a close above. So not $3.42, higher than that, like $3.43, or higher. But really, the most important level that I do feel we need to be closing above is the high from April 23rd, which was at a price of $3.55, because we've been able to get price above this line here. We've been able to get it as high as $3.55, but we haven't been able to get any closes above that level. So getting a close above it would suggest that there is more momentum to the upside, and so I think that would be really good. So keep an eye out for a close above $3.55. And then just above $3.55 is this yellow line at $3.58.5, which does correspond to this low over here that was hit on February 6th. Since that was support before, it may be resistance moving forward. So we'll be good to close above that. And then also from this white Fibonacci retracement, I do have the 50% level marked, did not have it on here last week. And so that level is at $3.74. We can see that there was a little bit of consolidation here. Two candles did overlap at that level. So I do think there could be a little bit of resistance there, but really, I don't think it will be that significant. I think that where we will start to see some real resistance will be around $4. So here the golden pocket is marked by these two levels, the 618 and the 65% retracement. And so the 618 is at $4.06.1, and the 65% retracement is at $4.14.8. So really just a range between $4 and $4.15. I could see us bumping our heads there, but I also could see price going way past that, as we have seen a lot of volatility this week to the upside in other stocks. I do think that we could be seeing the same thing with AMC. I do think we will have great guidance moving forward for the rest of the year. And, I do think that the stock price could be taking off, getting up to this purple downtrend. And so that downtrend is based on, the highs that were hit here at the end of August, on August 31st of 2023, and the other pivot point being the high hit on November 6th. And so from that downtrend, I do think that we will be getting some resistance there, but I do think we could blow past it and then maybe test it as support before continuing higher. And so I do think in the next couple of weeks, we could most definitely be seeing prices above $5.10, maybe $6, maybe $7, who knows, maybe $10 a share. A lot of surprising things have been happening lately, and so, I might be surprised by $10 a share, but considering what's happening, I kind of expect it. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video and share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.